Tomorrow's lecture has been cancelled due to the power cut. The assessment of this course will begin next week. This will be the first art exhibition to be held by the university. I think that to raise the issue and to talk about it is great. The university hosts a wide range of events both on and off campus. Our capacity to serve the community is a vital part of our role. A balanced diet will help you study more effectively. At the end of the day, people want to profit from return on their investment. The support and advice of lecturers within the department has been invaluable. Graduates from this course generally find jobs in the insurance industry. All the works you consult need to be mentioned in the bibliography. One of the first mass transit systems was located in France. Speaking one or more foreign languages will be useful in your career. I have lectures on Tuesday from 9 o'clock until 2 o'clock. The professor plans to discuss issues in the news that reflect concepts taught in class. These developments are discussed in more depth in Chapter 9. Each group should submit a rough outline of their project to their tutor. What's going on can help patients leave their fears at the door. There is a fitness center next to the student union. Animal behavior appears to contain both similar and distinct aspects to that of humans. Tomorrow evening, there will be a panel discussion on sustainable development. It's a great privilege to welcome our guest speaker to our college. Key aspects of this investigative paradigm may prove useful in other spheres. Scientists have found all parts of science.
All laboratory equipment will be provided in class. The key findings seem to contradict our initial hypothesis. Students' papers should be about a current social issue. The college operates on a system of continuous assessments. Sleep is believed to play a critical role in storing memories. Please note, submission deadlines are only negotiable in exceptional circumstances. Tuesday is the final day for students to submit their assignments without any penalty. The paper has the potential to transform life science. The capacity of programming computers is expanding enormously every year. Eating a healthy breakfast can provide energy throughout the day. The bibliography needs to be removed prior to the publication. Students can borrow this book for a maximum of 1 day. The cafeteria is open on Monday and Thursday. Many experts think that the world climate is changing. Accommodations on campus are limited, but there are more options nearby. The temporary library will be closed in the winter break.